Yeah. これは何ですか？
こちらはくるみ餅でございます。
くるみ餅いただきます。We are in Unzen, Nagasaki Prefecture. Unzen is known for a place where a lot of the hidden Christians who practiced during the Prohibition era fled to Nagasaki to avoid persecution. And it's also known for having some of the most amazing onsen hot springs. And this is supposedly the mother of all ryokans in the area, called Ryotei Hanzuiryo. And among those, these are the two top category rooms. This is Tsubakien, and this is Jyuen. And these are special villa rooms that have their own unique gated entrance. You can actually park in this kind of area, your own vehicle if you choose, although they'll valet it for you up front. And each of these rooms, so they're special in that they're villa type, no shared walls, maximum privacy, a Uber hot springs bath out in open air out in the garden. So you walk down this way. So Ryotei Hanzuiryo, again, it's in Unzen. It's in the Shimabara Peninsula in Nagasaki. It is a famous hot springs town. This is, Ryotei means kind of a food inn. So think of it sort of like Relais and Chateau style. They really focus on the cuisine, among other things. And so this is Jyuen. Between this and Tsubakien, we're splitting hairs. You can see the website for the difference, but very little to distinguish them. Supposedly it's 300 square meters, which is a little over 3,000 square feet. I don't know if it's quite that much. Maybe they're counting the garden. And because my house is about the same square footage or meterage, and this doesn't quite seem to be as spacious. Anyway, so this is, we walk in. There's a lot of places to go because it is maybe not 300 square meters, but quite large. This is the main living quarters. You notice this is carpeted, unlike a lot of traditional Japanese ryokan. So this straddles the fence between a hotel and a traditional Japanese inn. Architecturally, all that service, the omotanashi service, is distinctly Japanese. You can see some of the furnishing is Western, although you have that combined with a washitsu, a Japanese room with tatami matted floors. And then over here, you have another sitting area with a view of the garden, a vanity or desk, however you choose to use it. You can see over here, I won't open the windows just to save time. There's a little garden with a creek. Although, anyways, I'll get to this in a second. So another view of the tatami room. You got a TV, you have not a real fireplace, but one that actually does heat up the room. Electronic one, which we also have in our own house. It's just as effective as a fireplace and probably environmentally safer. So you can see it has a smart design. So this place has 18 rooms, and these are the top two. Meals are served in the room. I believe all rooms have hot springs in the room. So this is the, I won't go into minutia detail because there's a lot to cover here, but the mini bar is free of charge. Outside of, there's another area with booze. Outside of whiskey, the beer, things like that are free. It's kind of a pretty outer hallway. Again, you can see there's a creek. And this is, again, the two luxuries of a ryokan is, in my mind, the ability to have meals served in the comfort of one's own room, especially in a room that's separate from your living room, so that you can still kind of keep all your stuff scattered about, including your computer. This is actually another way to get in here. So the table setting's in place. Very stylish. You can see there's heated carpet down below. You are treated to this wonderful view from here, as well as a folding screen with cranes. So let's go around this way. The bedroom. I believe I am going towards... Oh, so one thing, there are two toilets. So this is one. It even has a urinal. The washlet toilet, as well as a sink. And a mirror. And then, so moving on. So again, this is where we came in from. And then this entrance was to the living area over there. Far end leads to a dining area. This is a staff workplace. So when they serve the meals, there's a lot of preparation to be done, things like that. Washing dishes, whatnot. It's over there. So going in here, this is the bedroom. Again, Western beds, Western furnishing with carpet, which is nice, although they do advise you to take your shoes off. Especially true because Japan rains a lot. So if you have muddy shoes and you walk around in this carpet, that won't be a very polite thing to do at such a high-end Japanese ryokan. So standard fare, except that it's spacious, maybe unnecessarily in a way, since you're just going to sleep here. There's my Nikon camera. There's yukata of different sizes, although in the entrance you can pick, women can pick different designs. This is what she picked. And then there's tabi, the socks. I guess this is the men's yukata, kind of dark navy blue. That's what you get. Anyway, so this is the way to go. And then over here is the master, I guess, if you call it, bathroom with a toilet. And then there's a shower. You might think, that's kind of weird how the shower is so far away from where the onsen bath is. Well, it's because there's another shower in the area near where the onsen is. Let me recall where, okay. So I think we're gonna go down this way now. And here we go. So this is dual vanity. And then put the used towels here. And then so let's go check this out. All right. So this is the indoor bathing area. What you see here is to the right is lukewarm water, and then over at the end, this is hot water. This is not onsen. They explain the reason being that some people are allergic to certain types of minerals in onsen. So for people like that, they want to give the option to, enjoy a nice soak, but not be exposed to, sodium or whatever sulfur, whatever other minerals people might have allergies to or might have some irritants towards. And then this is a sauna. Let's see. Nice little bonus to hang out. Okay. All right, and then out here is the Onsen. Private in-room onsen. Yes, indeed. And a pretty garden. A little dry rock garden over here as well. So let's kind of explore a little bit. It's quite rocky, so may be careful as I walk around. So again, the standard room, supposedly according to their website, claim that all rooms outside of these special rooms are 250 square meters, so they're no joke. And this one is 300 square meters, so maybe you're not missing out much. The difference being that the standard rooms that are not villa style, they hold on, I'm still thinking while I'm talking. Sorry, I'm not the best multitasker. Because they're 2 stories tall, 2 floors, I should say, each room, maisonette style. And the onsen is not in a private garden like this. But anyways, this is, I don't think you can go wrong in any room. Although if you can swing it, and if you book at the right time, ideally early in advance, then maybe you could, one of the special Tokubetsu Shitsu rooms might become available. So anyways, this is Ryotei Hanzuiryo in Unzen, Nagasaki. It's known for its cuisine as well as the onsen, although Unzen overall is renowned for the quality of the hot springs. There's a hot springs fields nearby, which also has a sad story around the hidden Christians who were told to stomp on a cross or else they'll be thrown into the boiling hot springs hell area. So anyways, this is Ryotei Hanzuiryo Special Room Jyuen. Hope you enjoyed.